Alright guys, we're going to try LeadFever's Shoo Fly Pie Challenge. Shooting some flies down to 50 yards right there. I got the Bergara out here, arcing scope on there, Trigger Tech trigger in it, and shooting some Ely mats right there. Let's see all the way down. You see the white on down there, it's where it's at. Let me pause you here. We'll set you up in spy scope. Alright guys, here we go. I think my phone says wind 9 miles an hour, kind of comes and goes here. It's hot out. I got my hanky out here wiping my forehead off in between shots. Wanted to do this morning. It was cool out, but oh no. It looks like we got, 10 flies there and a side bonus at the top there. Now, you notice that bonus in the upper right hand side, there's already a bullet hole right there. As I was shooting at this target right there, and I hit that one. Like a dummy. I think it's 1 point for the wings, 5 points for the body, and 10 points for the head. And the bonus is 20 points if I remember correctly on this. And I put a few in that cider pie there. In case my barrel's cooled down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go for the fly. Let's see. Top one on the left. Oh, I was actually holding a little bit left there because I was trailing a little bit to the right on me there. You better not do that. Or just go for the body meat. Yeah. Change out mags here. Okay, fourth one over. Here comes the wind. I think that's more than the body right there. Ah, geez. We got a little bit of wing, I guess. Now for the small flies, start off on the left right there. I think I got his head. Second one over. I think I got his head. Third one over. Ooh, maybe a tip of his wing, maybe. What the heck is going on here now? That wasn't wind. That wasn't me. Can't believe I threw it out like that. And what the heck, all of a sudden I'm shooting right. Maybe the wind's more down there blowing. The only thing I can think about. Okay, let's go for that bonus. Remember, I already got a bullet hole in it, so I'm gonna hold a little right. And high, and of course then went left. So, geez, well, I got a couple more shots in here. I'm gonna get that thing. So this ain't gonna count, but you know. Does it count because I shot it when I was shooting the other target? I don't know. I love these targets. Now I'm shooting low right again. What are you doing to me, Bergara? Here comes a big wind. Yeah, I'm gonna hold high left again. I think I put it through that same hole. And I think that was it. Let me check. Yep, that's it. Alrighty, well that don't count anyway though, but let me zoom in here a little bit so you can kind of see right there. You know, tune that same hole right there. Now I got two in the same hole there on the side there, so I think I was ready to go shooting a little bit right from where I was aiming at. And I may have gotten on that first one a little bit of his eyeball there, maybe. Okay. That third miss on the second one. Third one, that's it, more the body. Fourth one, that's in the body. Fifth one is just a wing. And what the heck? I get a headshot on the first two small ones. Then all of a sudden my shots went to hell. I have to try this again. I didn't print up another one. I just printed up one. So, yeah. Zoom out here a little bit. I love shooting these targets right here. I have guys ask me where to get targets all the time. Like, this one's LeadFever's. You go to his channel and ask for one, he'll send you a target. No Pro has a whole bunch of them like that. Country Rimfire Plus, or you go to Day at the Range. Get a lot of these targets and stuff like that. And it's always fun from shooting the same old targets, you know. All right, this is a good one here. Yeah, too bad I didn't get a live fly. I always say it now. Boomsticks book excuses, page 1. It's rule 1. If you shoot a fly on anybody's target, it's an instant win. Just remember that. All right, guys, let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you next time.